Okay, so this is Pacific Place Mall. And actually got quite a few stories. It's a Pacific Hall, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stories. And it's kind of condensed too, so, and it's Robinson is over there as well. Sri Racha, Thailand. I just have a few videos. I think there's 7 videos total. I have it listed if I'm wrong. But this is going to be the Pacific Mall. There's several malls. There's a big one, Central Mall. There's this one, which is probably the second biggest one, but this is actually the best located. And there's Atara Mall. So I was exploring this whole city, and I spent a couple days there recently, 2024. And this is just this Pacific Mall, so you kind of have an idea of what it looks like and all the stuff that's in there. So you can see it in the background a little bit. And I'm also going to show you on the map where it's at. It's very well located right in the spot that a lot of people would be walking around and exploring in Sri Racha. And then the larger map, so you can see that it's the city is between Bangkok and Pattaya. So anyways, with no further ado, let's check out this mall and show it to you so you can see what it looks like firsthand through the camera lens. All right, Sri Racha. Okay, so we'll give you a little bit of a tour of the mall. And we'll just kind of turn it on when we see interesting stuff. We got Starbucks here. I've only been to Starbucks 3 or 4 times in my life, but when I see one, I kind of know that it means something for the city and the area. Okay, so we're just kind of navigating up. Street basketball. Lots of different shops on all the different sides. Got our bakery over here. So maybe what I'll do, there's lots of streets lots of levels I didn't film. But there's an arcade over there, big camera, but I'll give you some idea of some of them. Export shop, clothing, and there's a big giant Robinson, which is kind of like the place. Clinics even as well, accessories, more play areas as well. So that'll give you an idea. Jasmine tea, peach. Might get a juice here. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Sri Racha has no shortage of Japanese restaurants. So you got Tokyo noodles here, Tokyo bowls and noodles. I guess we'll go up another level. There's more to see. As soon as we go up, we're meted by, there's a food park. So we're definitely going to explore this one a little bit. There's more of the Robinson as well. Let me just kind of see. And there's also another Japanese place over there. There's a few. And lots of Thai restaurants, of course. Let me just kind of take a look. So we're going to just walk through the food court real quick. Stuff for kids to the right. And over here, got a lot of Thai food. 50 baht, papaya salad, spicy fried beef, also 65 baht, so things are about $1 or $2. Noodles, 70 baht. Fried mussels. From Silly. Okay, so everything is probably about 55 baht to 70 baht in the food court here. So you can take a look and see what that is exactly. And they got ramen as well, which is 90 or 100. 75. So maybe about, what's that? Maybe it's about $3, $2-3, something like that. So I believe we're on the top, so I guess we're gonna work our way down. They got some like dance stuff over there, and they also have like working space here, so you can just kind of sit quietly and work on your computer right in this space. So it's kind of cool. It's like kind of like a little bit of a community area, it seems that way. There's a clinic over here, and I guess elevators over there. So we're gonna meander down. So this is shabushi. So you got Japanese meat. So I think what I'm going to do from this point is just go down, and then we're going to follow these escalators and just kind of thoroughly go through each floor. So we're back at Tokyo Bowls. We're going to go over to that movie theater space over there, see what kind of movies they got playing in here. And there's also some kind of games for see in Wonderland. More Japanese, Salmon Lover. And Robinson's over there. So let's just kind of check and see what the movies are here. There's a listing there. But you can also see in here too. Deadpool, Wolverine. So this is June 2024. Jurassic World, Fly Me to the Moon, Uranus. I forget that one with the cartoon one. And so it looks like they're all 6 American movies and some Thai movies. So that's what's at the movie theater. And then down there looks like there's Barbecue Plaza. Let's see what that's all about. Here's another ramen shop, another Japanese shop. Oh, this is kind of opening up into a whole other space in here. So this is all cinemas down here. So I guess this is for the movie theater, and then you also have a barbecue restaurant right here too. Barbecue Plaza. Bacon. Okay. So what we're gonna do, there's a kids area over there, and then we got all this clothing shop as well. So we are going to stroll through here and see what else is in the mall. I got ping pong over there. So that's kind of cool. We got ping pong. And we also got used clothing here too. So let's just kind of walk through this a little bit, and then we're gonna walk down to the next level of things. So all these clothes are about 80 baht or 100 baht. Got Mr. Do It Yourself. We got some music or something going on down there. Let's see what this is. So we're gonna go down to the next level. So this level 2, I guess. There's also ground. So there's, I think there's basement, ground, or first, or maybe first. I don't know. This is 1. That's ground, I guess. 3, 4. Pretty cool. Okay, so this area right here, it's all the electronics. So you got, I guess Banana is basically a bunch of cell phones, mobile, electronic stuff. So everything you need for that. More is over there. More is over there. More is over there. Depot. And we're gonna go down to the next floor. Street basketball. So the guy that's doing the advertisement stuff on the microphone, he's in here. Then we got more shops over here. Robinson. And I guess more clothing shops are on this floor. So we got restaurants, wine shops, wine collections, McDonald's, Watson's. That's also the entrance down that way. So what we're gonna do is move down to the last level, and then we'll probably head on out of here. So we got a taste of Pacific Place. Potato corner, and then Angie's Pretzels. We got more restaurants down here, it looks like. So we got MK restaurant. Some more restaurants over there. And clothing and lots of restaurant stuff throughout. Dunkin' Donuts, black coffee, So I guess we're gonna conclude. So you got all kinds of stuff, basically. So we're gonna go on out, and then I'll film from out on the street so you can get a reference point to where we're at. So this is kind of near the entrance spot. We're gonna come on out. And it looks like they're setting up all the stuff for the evening. So we're just gonna walk into this briefly. Kind of see the outside, and I'm gonna connect another video so you can see this whole street at nighttime. This was all live with all kinds of food choices, clothing, all kinds of stuff. So let's just walk across down this way briefly, and then we're going to show you the outside of it from up here. It is right there, Sri Racha Mall. Pacific Place. And this leads right into downtown. So there's a bunch of food court stuff right out front. And it goes right into the city. So hope you enjoyed that one. And I got a link to this at nighttime as well.
Sri Racha, what a beautiful town. Why don't we see Sri Racha down by the sea?